My name is Kevin Crooks, but most people know me as BG. I'm a very opinionated person, from entertainment to social issues to politics. I have an opinion on just about everything. But as I realize and respect it, everybody has an opinion, and everybody's opinion is different than yours. This show is dedicated to you, the people. Your opinions, your thoughts, your views, straight from the heart. In the real.
And we mean business. We out here and we ain't gonna let them die. We ain't gonna let y'all sell drugs on my block. We gonna take a stand. The revolution starts now.
In the raw.
Hey, if you feel like you need to cheat in a relationship, get the fuck out that relationship.
And uncut.
Step your game up and goddamn it's a motherfucking package deal. If you don't want him being no father to his child, and I'ma keep it real, baby daddy, you need to step your game up and take that motherfucking skirt off.
This is the Block Chronicles. Welcome to another edition of the Block Chronicles. I'm your host, BG. Income taxes. We love income tax time. Yes, we do. Every year in January, we just can't wait to get those W-2s. We can't go wait to file. Jackson Hewitt, Sharp, H&R Block. We ready, we coming. Even filing online, that's what I do. But sometimes, I ain't gonna lie y'all, it kinda gets me upset. I feel that a lot of people take advantage of the government. And tax time, a lot of people take advantage of this stuff. It's like my man Ed say, everybody's out to be an opportunist. Now, this is the problem I have when it comes to income taxes. I work hard. Hey, I don't make a lot of money, but I work hard. I pay my taxes. Rightfully so. Every year, what do I usually get back? Anywhere from $700, $800, $900, maybe $1,000, depending on how many forms I file. And that's cool. A little chump change for me. But then, this what kills me. And I know y'all feel me when I'm about to say this. When you got somebody, 3, 4 kids, and they claim 2. They sell the other 2 to at least get a couple grand off them. But they claim they 2 only worked for probably about 7, 8 months a year. Right? And they get back like $5,000. What the hell? Now, hey, that's how the system is. So all of y'all who do file and you do that and y'all get y'all money back, hey, take the money, it's yours. If I was in that situation, I would too. But this what I don't like. Don't come to me bragging that you done got $5,000 back and here I am only got like $800 and I worked all year every day. But what did you do? Only work 6 months a year, or 6 months out of the whole year. Don't come bragging, cause this what pisses me off. Like I said before, I work hard. I pay all these taxes, and all these taxes go to all these programs. My taxes help pay for Link. My taxes help pay for subsidized housing. My taxes help pay for education. Now don't get me wrong, I'm all for it. I don't mind helping somebody that's less fortunate than me. But damn, do you really gotta rub it in our face when you walking out the store with a 50-inch flat screen TV? Damn, do you gotta rub it in my face when you go buy all this furniture also? Damn, do you gotta rub it in my face when you buy all these electronics? Then you wanna call a taxi cab to push all that stuff in and take it home. Damn, whatever happened spending that $5,000 on the car? You know, hey, but once again, it's your money. Spend it how you want to spend it. But please, just don't go bragging to me. Please, I hate that. And then, to the people who cheat the government. Hey, I know everybody don't live righteous. And I'm not saying I'm all the way righteous. But this country has a lot of rules. So to all you people who filed your taxes and cheated and used somebody other kids and got that gain and got that money, and then you get that letter and then you get audited and then they garnish your wages and take your money. Hey, you played the system, you knew the game, and you just got caught. It's like you just got burnt. So I don't feel sorry for everybody that do it. And that's why I always play safe. You know. But here's the other thing too that I can't stand. When everybody got all that tax money, you walking around with $5,000-$6,000 in your pocket. And what do? You go to Club Ice, good riddance. And you go blow all your money in the club. You got your hair whipped, your nails done, your outfit banging. And then you go buy up the bar, and you tossing fake bottles of rosé, and you tossing bottles of Moscato. Then, come 2 weeks later, you're broke. Come on, man. Manage your money better than that. We ain't millionaires around here. Everybody walking around. We're thousandaires. That's the new term. Thousandaires. Well, that's enough for me ranting and raving. Let's go check out what other people think when it comes to this income tax situation.
I wish that those of us that work hard could benefit more from taxes, because it seems like I work 2 jobs, I pay all this money, I struggle, and then at the end of the year I get hardly nothing back. And then I sit there and I say, are you serious? That's the bracket I'm in? I'm working 2 jobs to be in that bracket and have nothing left? It doesn't seem right. And so if I had all of the money on my check that I earned and didn't have to pay such a large amount in taxes, that would be great, because I could probably work 1 job. So can somebody do something, please, to help those of us that are just hard working out here? What do I want with my tax return? A big screen TV. I work at Walmart. People buy big screen TVs. Everyone has a big screen TV but me. And I work 2 jobs. Can I get a big screen TV one time, please? Can someone buy me a big screen TV? Those of y'all that get all this money, can you buy me a big screen TV? BG will let you know how to get it to me, okay? Thanks. I'll be waiting for it next year.
I feel about income taxes. When it comes, I mean, you know, it's a little bit of relief, but at the same time, you know what I'm saying? It's all timed around winter, and so 1,000 or 1,500 of that gonna go to Silco right off the bat. And then, really, it's your money that you just didn't get. So, I mean, it got you feeling happy for nothing. It's like two-sided, man. I just really don't even know what to say. It's nothing to really look forward to, because it's your money anyway. So, it's better just to, I don't know, man. It's just...
Taxes are completely out of control. There's no structure to it, no form. You have wealthy people paying only 26% income taxes. In my present reduced circumstances, I'm paying 20%. You have others not paying anything whatsoever. GE, a major company, pays a negative tax rate this last year.
I know that.
They actually, instead of paying taxes, we paid them to be a company.
Wow.
You have banks pulling this stunt. You have wealthy people who don't even claim almost half of their usable income and then write off 85% of what they do. You have people that are literally, the most they could be putting into the tax system is $1,200 to $1,400 a year, but they're getting checks back of $6,000 and $8,000.
That's crazy.
And
I can't stand that.
I mean, my big thing is, I don't want to burn anyone, but I think everybody should put in their own share.
Right.
And there should be no write-offs.
Right.
If your tax rate is 16%, that's what you pay, and that's the end of it.
Right.
That alone would straighten out a huge chunk of our system. And property taxes you can keep. I think they're unfair. Only a certain percentage of people actually paying to have our buses and schools and libraries running. I'd rather see a national sales tax. That is much more fair, and everybody pays, including people who are just coming in here from other countries to visit.
Hello world. I'm talking about taxes, which is any kind of taxes. People should pay their taxes like Jermaine Dupri. He should pay his child support and his taxes. And we, as Black Americans or Caucasians or anyone that's an American, it's unfair to us that we have to pay taxes, and Mexicans or immigrants period don't have to pay taxes for 7 years. That is totally unfair. So if you live here, you want to be a U.S. citizen of the United States, you should pay taxes, period, point blank. And to all of you mothers who get your income taxes, you should take care of your kids and your bills first, and don't blow your money at the mall or think you need Coogee or Fresh Ones. You're not rich and you're not Nicki Minaj. Know that.
The people have spoken. As you can see, a lot of people have different opinions and different views when it comes to the income tax situation. Hey, when you file your W-2 forms and you worked all year and you got kids, you got dependents, and you get back $5,000-$6,000, hey, it's your money. By all means, spend it how you want to spend it. Just please just don't go bragging about it. And hey, spend it wisely. Don't be a fool. Invest some of your money. Do it the right way. That's all the time we have for today. And until next time, remember, come get your daily dose on the block.
Empty, tank is always on empty. Simply, a motherfucker gon' keep fucking till my dick go limp, G. You know I'm the best, nigga, fuck the rest. Y'all all could use a mentor. When it comes to skills, let's keep it real. I'm the motherfucker that they sent for. You mad cause I came up? Motherfucker, step your game up. The block stay hot, don't blame us. I can make you famous. Like stop, hold.